In this tutorial, I will show you how you as a user in Empower version 9.5 can easily use and personalize stamps to enhance your presentations and, among other things, to mark slides with a note. The Empower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Empower and in some cases already in older Empower versions. The stamp feature offers customized stamp designs that can be used in your presentation. To do this, first click on the split button Elements in the group Insert and navigate to Stamp. After clicking on the Stamp button, a window opens, showing the available stamp designs. Select the stamp you want. The stamp can be inserted either into the selected slide or the entire presentation. I want to insert the stamp into the selected slides, so I click on the Selected Slides button. And as you can see now, the stamp has been inserted into my selected slides. The design of the stamp and the position when inserting it are predetermined by the administrators. If you want to change them, they must be contacted accordingly. If you want to remove all stamps from the entire presentation, navigate to the stamp designs again, as shown earlier, and then click the Remove button. This will open a window asking if all stamps should be removed from the presentation, which you then only have to confirm by clicking on the Yes button. Now all stamps have been removed from the entire presentation. To insert an individual stamp text of your choice, navigate back to the stamps as shown before. There you can enter a text of your choice in the input field at Create Your Own Stamp. I enter for review to use the stamp, for example, to mark slides as for review by an employee. Then I click on the button Selected Slides again, and the personalized stamp with the text for review is inserted directly into the presentation. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.